banner screen, go to the home screen. And that pretty well sizes everything. I know it was rather quick. Pause, step back, do what you need to do in this tutorial to see what I did in each of the areas. Play with it a little bit, choose the font you like the best. Try to get it somewhat the same position on the screen or the same size that I've shown you. And trust me, it will work out in your simulator and on your device as well if you're using something that has a 480 by 360 screen. Now next we're going to want to maybe color these items, maybe change them to something different. In this particular theme, I left them white, which is already the default in Theme Builder. But what I did was go over here to this is actually the body of the font, and this is going to be your edges, or the background, you might say. So I'm going to click on it, and we'll bring you up a color picker box. And what I did in this particular theme was I chose black as the color. And you can find any black on your screen. It doesn't matter where. If you look over at the color picker when you do that, you'll see where the arrows are. What I generally do to get it black fast and make sure that it's completely black is to just grab the tip of the picker itself and click on it. As you can see, all the lines are to the left in my color selection scheme, and then I just click OK. Now as you can see, that kind of highlights that, sets it up along with here, but it's very visible to the eye. So what you can do now is just grab color picker, go up and click on that black box that you previously did each time and change each of them to the same. And you can go to your home screen, see what it looks like, and you can go to your lock screen, see what it looks like, and then you can go up to your lock screen font itself and make that change as well. And as you can see, everything is relatively pleasing to the eye and easy to see. So as we move through these steps, you will find that you can color these, you can do whatever you want. In this particular theme, I left the battery white, the signal indicators white, everything white so it stood out. And I would do the same in your app screen and choose black as well. Now once in some of these fonts, you'll actually be able to grab the color picker if it's some odd color, and you can go over and actually find black in your font area of the previous screen or something like that you've already set up. But in this case, I don't get a true black, so I'll just click on the box. Whoop, wrong thing. Cancel out of that. That needs to be white. I changed the wrong box. There we go. My mistake. Easy to fix. Just back out of what you did. Hello, BlackBerry. Sure you picked that up on the speaker. Now we need to possibly just go down through and see if there's anything else I can cover. We can change this to that. We can go to these, do the same here in here. And this all depends on the wallpapers that you're using, whether you want to change these. You may want to use a different color altogether depending on your wallpaper if it isn't all matched in this particular theme. As you can see here, that didn't really work out very well, so I'm going to go back and select that and back out. Not that one. My number. I'm going to back out of that. and maybe just leave it white. It's easier to see. And we've already done the lock screen. Nothing else really needs to be checked. That's pretty much everything as far as your font sizing, coloring, repositioning in the banner area. There's many other things that you can do. You can reposition these items around to work better for you, depending on your color layout. So there's many things that you can do different than what I've shown you, but here's just a nice simple example of what can be done. Following this, we will actually move into getting rid of these backgrounds in this area. In fact, we can do that now. In the last tutorial, I gave you the transparent icon Pong. I like to see my wallpaper, so I would go into Tab, find my trans icon Pong, and click on it, clear that up. I also remove the highlighted and the move icon generally, and use them for whatever color of icon that I choose to use. As you can see now, it's highlighted. I can still see which one I'm on because it's turned this a bright white. We will get into coloring these icons and changing our underlays and our new item icons and a few things like that in a later tutorial. Looking forward to seeing you on the next one.